Welcome to Da Nang and welcome Marcus.
To the humid season of everything. I'm sweating.
The season, the humid season.
The humid season. What is it? How do you call it? Humidity season?
Humidity.
Humidity. So this is the German word for today?
Oh, hold on. Oh man, I'm on a diet, bro.
I'm one of
The second time. Second time now. Oh yeah,
no, did you
I did before already.
Yeah. All right,
One time,
okay.
yeah. All right. We are here right in front of the Mueung Thang Hotel, which is in the heart of the Antung area, or directly at the Mi An Beach, where also the famous Mi An Beach sign is. And more important than the sign is the sign for the happy hour on the right. Paradise Beach. Oh, Marcus, what are you seeing there? Huh?
My eyesight is getting better from day to day.
If you're a single man, you have a good time here.
But also, what I like about this beach club is, do you listen any music?
Yeah, no stupid loud music.
Yeah.
9 p.m. to 11 is live music though.
Okay.
Then it will be. But at that time you're already sleeping, right? Yeah. And this is the important thing here, right? So I know my English and Aussies, they always come here. But the Germans too. All my beer drinkers always get the buy 2, get 1 free beer. 3 beer for sunset. Yeah. Then the evening can come. No problem. No issues. Oh wow, what is this chew toy? That's also different now. Yes. Now it's a beer place?
I thought it's a pizza place.
Yeah.
First.
So they changed the name. Check out how it looks now. Let's take a little stroll. Yeah, look at it. It's very packed now. In the evening. Every time the sun goes down slowly, lots of people come to the beach. Yeah. But everywhere where the sun is, it's completely empty.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's still, you have lots of space here, guys.
Yeah, excuse me.
What do you see again, Marcus?
It's just in the direction of everything. Yeah. You know.
Yeah, Marcus. It's okay. Yeah, the summer season in Da Nang is running very smooth, I think. Lots of people are here. It's raining more than the last 2 years at the same time. That's very interesting. But at least when the sun goes down here, there's a nice little breeze. It's actually okay. But it's still warm, so it's still very nice to go into the water. But this is the vibe here at the Mi An Beach today in July 2025. Yeah. Very relaxed. The whole city is relaxed.
It is it's 50 past 4 and 30 degrees.
30 degrees, yeah.
The sun goes down when? It's 5:30?
Oh yeah, true. Actually, I think at 6 o'clock now. 6 o'clock, the sun goes down. Very busy streets in the afternoon, in the evening. But yeah, as you can see there, when it comes to the sun, it's empty.
But this is also a good spot for having a coconut too.
Yeah, definitely. And what is this? A Dragon Bridge ice cream.
Oh.
Look at this. Durian Dragon Bridge. Is it ice cream? Is it ice cream?
Wow.
Durian ice cream in a Dragon Bridge.
Wow.
How Vietnamese can it be, huh?
I think only strong people can take a bite.
Yeah. The Maya Beach Club. I think it's always packed here. Very nice. And you have here, you can reserve those spots even. Pretty nice. What is this, Marcus? Is this like kite surfing or?
It seems like yes.
Yeah.
It's kinda.
Interesting.
Yeah, but I'm not sure. Because I don't know if the wind is enough for this kind of sports.
But there were some rain showers the other days, and I think somewhere here it most likely raining. I think, but not here.
Oh yeah, yesterday was.
Yeah, it actually cooled down a lot.
So windy, stormy.
Hi. All right, guys. Very friendly Aussies here. Whole Aussie family wearing Crocs.
Yeah.
Yeah, supporting Marcus, his Croc addiction. But yeah, I think Marcus just cannot handle having sand in his shoes. That's why he wants to have the Crocs.
Yeah.
Here, the sugar daddy.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. I thought you're
Talking about you?
someone on the beach.
No, this one.
But
That's a good thumbnail.
You know what it is? It's just when it's open, when not.
Yeah, just smile. No, smile like you are a sugar daddy.
And look, I'm 46. I could.
Okay.
No.
All right. I'll take it. So, if you want to be his sugar baby or something, I don't know.
What it's called?
I don't know what the
Mommy or
sugar child. That sounds very wrong.
Yeah, that's,
but I mean,
very,
sugar
very
daddy and sugar. I mean, I don't understand. Yeah, you can apply at Sammy and Marcus.
What's about this night market?
Yeah.
Is it open or not?
You see this? The bar looks like open.
Happy day.
The bar looks open, yeah. It's so hot. I'm so thirsty again. I'm thirsty all the time.
There's not even one
Marcus is German, Dinglishing very hard.
Yeah, but maybe this is the word for today.
Nah, that's not enough.
Surfbrett or
Surfbrett.
surfboard?
Nah, we need something better than this.
Okay. Something better.
Ladenöffnungszeiten.
Oh my god.
Ja. Repeat after me. Ladenöffnungszeiten. Opening times from a store. But the beautiful thing about German, you have the exact word for the term. Whatever it is exact word. You don't have to say, oh, blah, blah, blah. Oh, mall, ATM, oh, ATM.
On point. It's just the language is just on point.
Can you imagine people saying ATM? What a dumb language that is.
ATM.
Geldautomaten.
Oh yeah.
Bargeldautomaten. Bargeldabhebungsautomat.
You can call it.
Bankomat, das sagen die Österreicher, oder? Now let's have a look here. It looks very... It's not night yet, so Marcus, maybe it's not the right time.
But it's not open from your friend, the breakfast place.
Yeah.
Still.
The one English dude we met, it's still not open. There's a sausage dog. I don't want to have these clothing stores. I understand this is maybe nice for women to go around and look, but I mean, give me some food. I mean, not me, because I'm on a diet. But generally, I think you can only get people into a night market if you have good food. Or cheap food, whatever.
At least something to drink.
Oh, let's try out this new mart. I've never been in this mart.
CJ.
Yeah. Let's try it out. It's pink. It's brand new. There was the Panini store before. I think Mia it called. Get some sausages here, meat. Oh, look at this, Marcus. I've never seen something like this. Do you think they heat it up? The burgers?
No, maybe not.
Wow.
It's like nuts. Because this is frozen, you know?
Ice cream.
They're also zero. You know, the good thing is with this ice cream is zero sugar.
Yeah.
So this has only a couple of calories.
Yeah. It has actually less calories than a wrap, a tortilla wrap. All right, I need some drink here. I need something funny. Wow, okay, lots of soju here. Very interesting, guys. Even Paulaner Weißbier here.
I would take an overpriced monster.
Yeah, I'm already having heart attack now.
Take a look at
What is this? You know what? I'll just try it.
Okay, but I don't know what it is.
I hope it's not.
Let me pay for it.
Okay, even better.
But if they don't have our payment, it's your turn.
Oh. Listen, guys, you don't need to be worried if you have problems with your stomach. You can always buy underwear here on the go. No problem at all. Razor blades from Korea. Dorko Rapid 2. You know what? Maybe I should get one. Nah, I'll get you that. Not Dorko. What else do they have here? Ooh,
Thank you.
that looks good. Chocolate.
I
I'm so hungry.
It's from Europe.
I'm not hungry, I ate a lot, but I ate a lot of healthy stuff. So now I'm gonna drink something, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's even beer. You think it's beer? I hope not.
Let me check. First of all, let me check what it is. Because
I mean, beer
my
should have...
Korean is not so good, but it has 8.9% of calories, sugar, I guess.
How do you read that?
Because always, the biggest part is always carbs, you know, it's sugar.
It's okay. Is this Chinese? I think it's Chinese. Oh. Oh. What
I
is
don't want
that?
to test it.
It's like a tea or something. Like a oolong tea or something.
So it's not.
Oh, it's not good. But I'm thirsty anyways. I should have just stick to something normal. You want to dance a little bit to the Indian music? Huh? Maybe Marcus is becoming a Bollywood star. Oh, then we should have gone to the Bollywood movie today. There's the international, the Asian festival in Da Nang, and they actually show Bollywood movies today.
Ah, okay.
That's brutal.
That is very interesting. It's a very beautiful painting.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. It's a Windfast. And it's also all here now. But those are the Windfast bikes that are too fast to be driven without license. So it's the same if you rent out this or if you rent out this.
Oh, this is more than 50 cc.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Sammy.
Hey, how you doing, man? Good, how are you?
Really well,
You got a nice hat on. All right.
Another protection.
I don't know why this is always so empty.
I have no clue.
Cool,
But
yeah.
the English breakfast is amazing.
Yeah, the English breakfast is amazing. And guys, one big update, guys. Big update. Bug service is not here anymore. I already saw some people waiting there in front of the door. That is not there anymore. It is. What is the hotel again? What is the hotel? What is where Bugs now moved to? Sandy Hotel. So the Bugs service is now at the Sandy Hotel, okay, or the former Yen V Hotel. But if you just Google Maps Bugs service, you will still find it in the Sandy Hotel. Just move 2 blocks to the right.
I think it's Antoine 30.
30. No, 30.
30.
Antung 30. Right next to section 30. Yep, opposite of Antung 32 Street, I think. Somewhere there. I think I'm gonna go soon to Hoi An, do some walks there. Please comment below, should I go to Hoi An and make some walking tours over there? I gotta go back there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next vlog.